Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know we've been gone for a little bit, but I am back today, and what I wanted to talk about was this guy. This is the Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. It is from Creality. It's kind of like a baseline budget 3D printer, and I picked one up. So yeah. Before we get into what I want to do today, let's talk about the 3D printer a little bit. Okay guys, so here it is, the Ender 3 Pro. It is currently in action, as you can see, but I have first off printed a bunch of things with PLA filament, which is kind of the more rigid plastic type filament. I printed a bunch of mods for the printer, like some drawers to hold the stuff, little knob majigger thing, fan duct, yeah, this thing that holds the thingy in place. But anyways, yeah, besides the upgrades, I printed a bunch of other cool things with PLA, which you'll see now. So, the PLA parts, they're great and all, but the main reason why I got the 3D printer in the first place was because I wanted to print flexible TPU drone parts. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do today. And I'm going to be trying to print a GoPro mount for my Skyliner HD. And the reason why is because I couldn't find any, like, to buy or anything like that. And it already has some flexible TPU parts on it, but I needed a GoPro mount for my GoPro Hero session. So Bubby FPV sent me a file for that. You guys should probably know him. He is this guy.
Chicken is a mammal.
But anyways, I'm going to print that today, and yeah, here's how I do that. Alright guys, so after this I plugged in some smart numbers into my slicer, ejected the file, and onto the SD card it went, and we're headed down to the basement. Unloaded the filament, popped it open, and loaded it onto the printer. Then pressed a couple buttons on the thingy, and we're ready to go.
Several days later.
Here it is, guys. The official Ladrib GoPro session mount for my Skyliner HD. And of course, there had to be a couple failed prints before. I don't know why, but the TPU filament really just wasn't sticking too well, and it was a little difficult. Even on this one, you can see it's a little messed up, but I think this will work good for now. And if you guys might have noticed, I have upgraded my workshop in the meantime while I was waiting for the print to go. Got this whole second table over here in addition to this. Perfect spot for putting my 3D printer, where I am attempting to print another one. See if that one goes any better. But for now, this seems good, so I think it is time to finally fly. much.